밤 이렇게 시간이 안 가는지 정말 버스 안에서 going 이불 속에서 going 은 언제나 너에게 going.
Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog! I am Rayan Agustin
I am Desami Sangkula. And I am Rizmaya Abubakar.
and we are living in an IT era.
Technology is very essential in this 21st century. Did you know? As a student, it helps us to improve our learning. And also, technology, it is emphasize how improve our teaching strategy, and also with the help of technology in the society, everyone will become easy. That's all.
We're living in an IT era. Of course, selfie is life. Selfie. We're living in an IT era. Of course, we can sell everything by using the technology. Oh, code kayo dyan. Black. 100 lang, 100. Pakod ako, baby. Pakod ako.
First miners, si Sabrina. Yours na po.
O, pa-SSD ako. 1, 2, 3.
Ate, hotspot naman ako.
Wala ka bang load?
Wala na eh.
Hindi na, open na.
We're living in an IT era. Of course, hindi namin na kailangan ng wifi. Kapag may load ka lang, hotspot agad.
Hello! How are you today? Nice to see you. We're living in an IT era. We can work from home, anytime, anywhere. Without going to work, you will have income or stable finances.
We're living in an IT era. Of course, K-drama is life.
촬영하는 거잖아. 드라마잖아, 드라마.
아는구나. 너 단 거 좋아하잖아. 아이스크림. 오케이?
그거 받고.
받고? 받고?
그냥 받아.
Hey Siri, what time today?
It's 4:58 p.m.
We're living in IT eras. Of course, cellphone muna bago ang muta.
We're living in an IT era. Of course, in doing research by using technology, everything is easy.
We're IT living era. Of course, mahilig ako mag-TikTok.
Wow!
We're living IT era. Of course, dating apps. Hi friend! Hello! Kumusta ka na dyan? So by the using the dating apps, dito kami nagko-communicate ng aking friend at aking pamilya.